Hello viewer, I am Marco and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will unbox the most talked about laptop, that is Avita. The name of the laptop is Avita Pura. I have purchased it from Flipkart, although right now you can see the price, that is 32,990, but I have purchased it at 25,240. You may ask me why I have purchased it. I will share that too. But number one reason is that its price was decreased from 32,990 to 25,240 during sale in Durga Puja. So I have taken that laptop, and now without wasting any more time I will take you straight to the unboxing and specifications, and at last I will share with you why I have chosen particularly this laptop over any other reputed company like Dell, HP, and then I will give you a small quick around video of its booting time. Let's go straight and see the unboxing. You can see here is the box that I have received from Flipkart. Here is the seal from Avita, and here you can see all the details like manufacturer, then importer, and its month and year of import, month and year of manufacturing, its MRP that is written 52,990, their toll-free number, service center address, mail address, etc. Now I will share with you why I have taken this laptop. The reason is listed here. The model number is Avita Pura 14. And you can see that the OS is Windows 10 Home in S mode. It's nothing but in secure mode. You can disable it and you can use it as normal Windows 10 Home edition. And the main reason is that its processor, that is AMD Ryzen 5 3500U, and its display, that is 1920 x 1080 Full HD IPS panel. And another reason is that its storage, that is 512 GB, but that's SSD, not HDD. And its memory is DDR4 8 GB RAM. That's awesome. So I can tell you that in 25,000 you will not get a full HD IPS panel, you will not get 512 GB SSD, you will not get DDR4 8 GB RAM. That's for sure. And definitely you will never get AMD Ryzen 5 3500U processor. So these four are the decision maker for me to go for this laptop, and it includes one 3-in-1 sleeve or carrying case. So I will show you how the carrying case looks like. Now I will open the box. So you can see the packing. So I will remove everything one by one. So here comes the main laptop unit. It's protected with foam. Then we are getting some small box like this, and then we are getting this sleeve or the carrying case or carrying bag. So I will start with this sleeve because this kind of sleeve is extremely necessary when you are carrying your laptop like this. And I must tell that the quality of this bag is nice, very nice. Here you can see the Avita branding. They have given zip here also, if you can see, and Avita branding is there in the chain also, in the puller. So here is one folder like compartment. Here is few pockets, one pockets and two pockets. So two pockets are there in front, and at the back there is some kind of holding mechanism, I believe. The handle seems to be very strong, and I will open this bag and I will show you. Okay, so they have provided this carrying belt also, in case if you want to fit them with these two buckle, then you can carry on your shoulder. And this material is really good, very soft. I must say it's extremely soft, and there is no chance of your laptop getting scratched when it's inside this bag. So I must say that this bag is of so fantastic quality that your laptop will be secured inside this. And you can see that Avita branding here also. So apart from that bag, we are getting this small box, and inside this small box we are getting this charger. So the build quality of the charger is also very good. The quality of the wire is fantastic. Plastic quality is also very good. It's not a flimsy one. So the charger also gets 10 out of 10 in my opinion. And now it's time for the main unit, that is laptop. So you can see Avita branding on its top. Let's remove the foam. Okay, so you can see here is the main laptop packed inside this box. The packing is very nice. I am completely satisfied with this. Here comes the laptop. That's Sugar Red Avita laptop. That's really cool. Now I will open the laptop and will show you a glimpse. So they have provided this thin screen protector also, so that the screen does not get this kind of keyboard stamp on it. I will show you how small and thin is this. You can see it's very thin, and its weight is only 1.34 kilo as claimed by Avita, and I can feel that. I have previously used many other laptops, but they are not as light as this one. So it's extremely light in weight, and that's good. It comes with normal US layout QWERTY keyboard. The number row is on top. Avita branding is here in the bottom bezel. Apart from that, the side bezels are very narrow. You can see that. And here it is AMD Ryzen 5 processor stamp. It supports HDMI. It comes with micro SD card reader, 3.5mm headphone jack, and USB 3.0 port here. Here is HDMI port, here is a USB Type-C port, and here is also another USB port, and here is a charging port. So I will turn on this laptop now and I will show you how fast it boots up. That's it. The laptop is turned on under, I think, 3 to 4 seconds. So that is the magic of SSD, because SSD makes the working principle of this laptop much more quicker and cooler. So you will get the fan running very less time. And now I will show you how fast it go to sleep. Just touch this power button and it goes to sleep. And if you want to come it back to the normal mode, then touch this button again and see. So that's fantastic. That's really fantastic. That's because it comes with SSD and it comes with AMD Ryzen 5. So it's blazing fast when you are turning it off and on. So turning it on takes only, according to me, 3 to 4 seconds, and turning it off takes, I think, same, around 5 to 6 seconds. That's extremely fantastic. And about its build quality, I have seen many YouTubers, they are claiming that this is not a good quality laptop, but I can tell you its panels are really good. Keep in mind that you are paying 25,000, so in 25,000 whatever you are getting, it's more than enough as per the specification of this laptop. And its build quality is not that bad as claiming by some renowned YouTubers like Geeky Ranjit, because I had seen his review first, and then initially I thought that I will not go for this laptop, but when this laptop's price was decreased from 32,990 to 25,240, then I thought why not give it a try. If it is a bad one, then I will return it to the Flipkart, not an issue. So I went for this, and really it come out to be a nice product. 25,000 is extremely budget friendly, and it's extremely good. According to me, it's extremely good laptop. Well, I will try to show you its viewing angle, because in most of the laptops like from Asus, from Acer, you will get some black spot when you are just changing the screen orientation. So now I will show you its screen orientation. You can see that even if you just change the angle of the screen, then also it's not getting darkened. So you can see that it's not getting darkened from each and every angle. You can see that the laptop is the screen is showing exactly the same. There is no black spot. So that is the beauty of IPS panel. So in 25,000 I am sure that you will not get any IPS panel in a laptop. So it's overall a very good product according to me. So even if you get the chance to buy it laptop in future again in 25,000, then please go for it. Don't even think twice. You will not get any better laptop, or you will not get any better deal than this one. So I will turn it off once again. See, the turning off time is also very fast. It's blazing fast. The performance is blazing fast. The fan unit is under this base. You can see these vents of our fan, and there are 4 rubber grommets to create a gap between the surface and the laptop. And some say that its display is a bit flimsy, like it always shaking like this, but according to me it is not like that. You can see, there is no shake at all. And few YouTubers claim that this hinge is made up of plastic, but I don't know if I can show you, but definitely it is plastic on the top, but inside there is a metal rod. I can see that inside there is a metal rod. So the hinge is not a plastic thing at all, because this upper coat, the upper cover and lower cover is plastic, but inside there is a metal rod. So the feelings of the hinge will be exactly the same. So you don't need to complain about that, or you don't need to worry about that. So that's all in this video on unboxing and quick review of Avita Pura Ryzen 5 14-inch full HD IPS panel laptop. It's a budget king, I must say that, and 25,240 is really a very good deal, really a good deal. And I will request all the people, whoever is thinking of buying this product, go for this without any second thought, because once again I am telling you, you will not get any laptop in 25,000 with such a specification, such a beautiful textured panel and very good hardware. Trust me, the hardware is not as bad as claiming by other YouTubers, but its hardware is really very good, provided you are paying 25,000. So that's all in this video. If you like the video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, tap on the notification icon and click on all options to be notified regarding my latest uploads. If you like the video, share it, show in form of thumbs up, and thank you for watching till the end.